Hi everyone. As rightly said in my last video, now we are actually around that time where we are done with CAT and we must be preparing for that. And as the answer keys are out, so we must be contemplating our marks and we must be mapping that mark with a certain range of a percentile. And then in turn, we must be mapping the percentile that we have anticipated to the set of colleges where we can apply. So in my last video was about my interview experience of my GD and PI experience of Tasmi. In this video, I'll be sharing my interview experience about the college that is named as KJ Somaya Institute of Management that is located in Mumbai. So it's also a pretty good college, pretty decent college, and it has a quite good alumni base. So I'll be discussing my interview experience of that college. So before I'll be discussing, so before I narrate what happened, what actually happened in the interview, let me just walk you through, let me just read you about a quick feedback, a quick review of that college. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen here. Let me share all. Cool. Okay, yeah. So, Zoom will not be able to record. Fine. Privacy. Okay. Fine, it is. Yeah. Actually, I updated my laptop, right? So every time you update your laptop, you update your Mac OS. So each time it asks, like, it rejuvenates your application in its default form. So every time it asks for permission. So this is a very long time after which I'm opening my Zoom. Because like right now I'm pursuing my MBA. So जो भी classes होती हैं वो that goes on MS Teams. So yeah. So Zoom hardly I use. So I applied for KJ Somaya uh, in February end during February end month, and I got a call. Like you can see, and you can see that I received a call, and my GDPI slot, not GD but CAPI in KJ Somaya, they are not having GD anymore. What they do is okay, I'll cover that part later. But yeah, okay, so as you can see, my interview was scheduled to happen on 14th of March. So before I go on to discussing my interview experience, just a quick summary, a quick review of the college, like whether you should apply or not, or what are your aspirations and at what packages are you looking, and मतलब आप कितनी fees देना चाह रहे हो and all that. So I have with me the placement brochure, but that is not of any relevance to us. Yeah, but you can see the some of their recruiters, right from Puma, PwC, SAP, like whole lot of recruiters are there. You know, like Britannia recruiters देख के तो like मेरे को भी लग रहा है कि like college तो बहुत अच्छा है actually में. Like I have few of my friends, I have few of the seniors who have passed out from the college, and they are at some good companies. I do not know about the salary that they have been offered, like what they were offered, but the companies की बात मैं करूँ तो companies उनकी काफी अच्छी है. You can look all kind of companies there. Like we are having a company that deals in the vertical of sales and retail, from hard coded consultancy company like PwC and Deloitte. Okay, so Deloitte Digital. So right from retail to SAP, that is pure technical company, to BFSI company, that is the HDFC Bank, and Edelweiss, it's a financial company, SBI Card, ENY, Britannia, again very good. Like ब्रिटानिया का जो पैकेज होता है ना, वो उनका एक वो होता है, वो 12 से ऊपर ही देते हैं पैकेज. अगर आप चाहे फ्रेशर हो या एक्सपीरियंस हो, उनका 12 लाख एक वो होता है, लाइक आई मीन बेंच मार्क होता है. तो या If we can just look at the the placement highlights. So still, like the placements are still going on, and as of now, I'm making this video on the date is 10th of December. So as of 10th of December, 85% of the batch has already been placed, and the placements are still going on. The highest salary is 26.5, but the thing is average salary. If we can look at the average salary, that is quite less, and the amount of like it is less relative to the fees that they are charging. Like KJ सुमैया एक ऐसा कॉलेज है जहाँ पर फीस बहुत ज्यादा है उनकी. लाइक अगर आप सिर्फ ट्यूशन फीस की बात करें, ट्यूशन फीस की बात करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो लाइक सिंस इट इज अ फुल टाइम रेजिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम, ऑल एमबीएज आर फुल टाइम रेजिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम, so ट्यूशन फीस एंड हॉस्टल फीस सब कुछ कंबाइन होता है. तो कलेक्टिवली जो आपकी फीस जाती है उसमें वो 21 लाख जाती है, दैट इज अराउंड 21 लाख. तो महंगा है उसका, मतलब उस हिसाब से. एंड 21 लाख फीस है, एंड द हाईएस्ट पैकेज इज 26.5. तो हाईएस्ट पैकेज एक या दो लोग का ही जाता है, इससे ज्यादा का नहीं जाता है. एंड एवरेज सैलरी, सो I'm not having the figures, I'm not having the exact figures, but but I can really vouch looking at the average salary and median salary. So average salary is 10.74 and median salary is 10.21. So there is nothing much of a difference. तो अगर देखा जाए तो जो इसका अगर हमारे पास डेटा आएगा तो जो कर्व होगा वो तो इसका नॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ही होगा. हाँ, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा राइटली स्क्यूड हो सकता है, बट यस. बट हम देखें कि अगर 10.74 का पैकेज है इनका, सो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इनके डेटा में बहुत ज्यादा होगा. लाइक variance will be very high, because on one hand you are saying that salary is 26.5 lakh and the average salary is like 10.74 lakh and the median salary is 10.21 lakh. Means there, there will be some of the students, or there will be a batch of students जिनकी सैलरी लाइक confirmed है. मतलब median salary 10.21 है, that means 50% of the batch has got less than 10.21 lakh and 50% of the batch has got more than 10.21 lakh. So 50%, like अगर इनके 500 लोग भी हैं तो 250 लोगों का जो पैकेज है that is below 10 lakh. So that is not good actually, like if you ask me. The reputation that this college has built up over the past years, so if we go by that reputation, तो उस हिसाब से अच्छा नहीं है. But again, we are not here to discuss about like how college is doing. But yes, I'll definitely, it was just quick feedback placement point of view. Average salary of top 100 was 14.4. Okay, it's decent, not that bad, but it should have been more. So coming on to my interview experience, actual interview experience. So my interview was held like मुझे याद है मेरा 5 से 9 का स्लॉट था. जो मेरा एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू हुआ था वो 8:30 पे हुआ था. सो तो इंटरव्यू में क्या हुआ कि there were around 14 students. We joined the call and we were asked to wait. Like it was going in parallel, like two of the processes. That was one extempore case analysis and PI slot. So what happens in case analysis? There will be two faculties and you will be given a paragraph of 4 to 5 lines. So you will be getting a minute to read that paragraph, and what inferences you can draw from that paragraph, you have to speak that out in front of those two faculties. So it's a kind of an extempore only. So what paragraph I got, it was related to the like online education. Like since we at that time we were in the time of the pandemic, like still we are in the time of the pandemic, but at that time it was more terrible what it is today. So मेरा टॉपिक ये था कि what are the shortcomings of the online education and especially in the rural areas. तो एक पैराग्राफ दिया था and after studying that paragraph for a minute, they gave another 1 minute to speak about that paragraph. So more or less on the lines of extempore it happened. एंड देन लाइक ऐसा नहीं था कि पहले केस एनालिसिस होगा फिर इंटरव्यू होगा. Like it depended purely on the availability of the faculty. Like there were two sets of faculties. One was of case analysis and one panel was of case analysis and one panel was of interview. So ऐसे हो रहा था कि जैसे 14 लोग हैं तो 14 में से आपका नंबर जो है that my number was fifth in terms of the interview process and ninth in terms of case analysis. तो मेरा इंटरव्यू पहले हुआ था, केस एनालिसिस बाद में हुआ था. तो केस एनालिसिस में मेरे को जो टॉपिक मिला था लाइक इट वाज ऑफ द ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, लाइक ड्रॉबैक्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक एंड हाउ इट इज अफेक्टिंग the students and how it is not a disgrace, but what are the shortcomings and what are the drawbacks that and what are the challenges that a rural student faces इस ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन के टाइम पर. एंड यस नाउ interview. So interview there were the panel of 3 people and जो उनके प्रोफेसर्स थे वो मतलब वो काफी सीनियर लग रहे थे वो मेरे को. तो it happened like each of the professors had 2 or 3 questions and then the same professor they passed their baton to the another professor. So it happened like that. जैसे 1 2 3 प्रोफेसर है वहां पर, तो पहला क्वेश्चन मतलब तो पहले 3-4 क्वेश्चन वो प्रोफेसर पूछेगा, then the chair will be to the second professor and third professor. So the first question was without no surprises I can say, tell me more about yourself. Like we know that you are Nalin Pandey and we have your profile with us, but just tell me what's not in your profile. Like just brief me about the fact that is not with us. हाँ भाई. I think someone is calling me. मैं कॉलेज में हूँ एक्चुअली. So yeah. So he said me tell me more about yourself. तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि मतलब वही एक जो रटा रटाया आंसर होता है, एक मतलब जो आप लाइक प्रिपेयर करके जाते हैं कि माय नेम इज दिस, माय नेम इज दैट, आई हैव बीन वर्किंग इन दिस कंपनी एंड माय हॉबीज आर, माय स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस आर, माय एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आर. उसमें जो भी आपको जो रेलेवेंट लगे, आई विल नॉट से कि इसका एक स्पेसिफिक आंसर होता है, एक स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेट होता है. यू कैन स्पीक वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. लाइक वो पहला क्वेश्चन होता है वेयर द इंटरव्यूअर वांट्स टू नो यू so that you guys can be comfortable during the course of the interview. So first question ये था मेरा, and then second question again no surprises, why MBA. वो भी एक रटा रटाया आंसर जो मैंने प्रिपेयर किया था, and I have said this in my previous video also. It is better and you will get an advantage कि why MBA and tell me about yourself का आंसर आप it should be in your write up. ठीक है, मतलब आप एक आंसर प्रिपेयर कर लो, वो फायदा करेगा आपको. तो वाई MBA का आंसर मेरे को ऑलरेडी मतलब मालूम ही था. So in which field you want to do MBA? So that was a different question he asked me. So I said operations. So why operations? Because I said that I like to see the things live in front of me. Because operations में क्या होता है ना, like operations like in a typical MBA, operations is related to manufacturing and the supply chain. So supply chain is part of operations, but I said the same thing to them because I love to see the things live happening in front of me. So the reason and also I am a quality assurance engineer. So I have that quality assurance skeletal in me because I have been working as a quality assurance engineer. तो मेरे में वो क्वालिटी का पूरा वो आ गया है. तो and since quality is a very like quality is something that is central to all the operations. So that is why I'm more interested and I'm more inclined towards operations. So these were the 3 questions that was asked by the first professor. And the second professor ने question वो पूछा that was specifically related to my background. So he came to know that मैं एक IT बैकग्राउंड का हूँ. तो मतलब जो क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा कि ओके मतलब व्हाई यू आर नॉट कंटिन्यूइंग इन द IT बैकग्राउंड एक्चुअली. So I said that I have my aspirations doing MBA will expose me to the other side of the industry. Like till now, my job has really been straightforward. Like it has really been straightforward. So we have worked upon a certain set of guidelines and rules, but that has not given us an opportunity to explore the other side of the industry, which is probably a broader side we where we sit on a chair of a decision maker. तो वो साइड मेरे को एक्सप्लोर करनी है सो दैट आई कैन कनेक्ट द डॉट, like how everything is interrelated, like right from finance to HR, like how a decision in finance can affect a decision in HR or vice versa. And obviously like marketing operations सब इंडेक्स connected होता है. Okay, so I'll make a video on of this as well, but like so he seemed quite impressed is like his answer says. So and the another question that he asked me, do you know anything about ERP? I said yes, I do know, but it is not something upon which I have worked. So he said still you should be knowing. तो मैंने उनको थोड़ा बहुत तो लाइक एक्सप्लेन किया कि हाँ ERP में ये होता है, बट एकदम डीप डाइव मैंने नहीं किया, बिकॉज दैट वाज नॉट माय वर्क एरिया, दैट वाज नॉट माय वर्क डोमेन. So in spite of saying it, he kept me dragging on to that ERP question, and there were some questions related to SAP. So if anyone of you are from IT background, so KJ सुमैया के इंटरव्यू के लिए आप ERP और SAP का थोड़ा बहुत देख लो, क्योंकि उनके जो प्रोफेसर हैं वो IT वाले ही हैं, तो वो SAP और ERP से ही पूछेंगे, ठीक है. एंड तो उन्होंने ये पूछा कि मतलब like the company like in which you are working as of now, so what projects does that company have in the banking and financial sector. तो मैंने कहा कि मतलब like since like I was working in TCS, so TCS has many projects related to the banking and financial services. Like we have projects from Bank of America to American Express to in India to SBI. So I said that we have quite a n number of projects and we are providing services like front end and back end services both to the BFSI sector. And a question here and then he passed the screen to the third and the last professor. He asked me some behavioral questions. Like first he told me like can you list me down your strengths and weaknesses. I said ठीक है, ये strength है, ये weakness है. तो उसमें से एक strength को पकड़ के उसने थोड़ा drill करना शुरू किया थोड़ा सा. I said that I have never to say die attitude. So he told me, so he asked me that can you recall one such incident where you have showed this attribute of yours. So वो हुआ. फिर एक वीकनेस को मतलब जो वीकनेस था या एक जो शॉर्ट कमिंग थी उसको पकड़ के उसने कहा कि लाइक हैव यू एवर बीन एम्बैरेस्ड बाय दिस वीकनेस ऑफ योर्स. तो एक इंसिडेंट वहां का बताया. So that was all about my interview, and वो इंटरव्यू जो था वो that lasted around 20 to 25 minutes, and that was a convert interview. like पहला शॉर्ट लिस्ट में नाम नहीं आया था, बट दूसरी शॉर्ट लिस्ट में नाम आ गया था. So I got the core PGDM. See, I'm not in KJ Somaiya as of now, but yes, I still managed to get a call, and I still managed to get that call converted into an actual seat. So that was all about my KJ Somaiya interview. If you have any queries pertaining to KJ Somaiya or any other colleges, in this in the last year, not last year, but for the last year in 2021, I have appeared in the interviews like KJ Somaiya, Ford School of Management, like IMI, IMT Ghaziabad, Great Lakes Institute of Management, School of Petroleum Management, that is in the Gandhinagar. So in colleges I have interviewed दिए. So if you want to know about any of these colleges or any of these interviews, you can surely write it in the comment box, and I will try to, and from my busy schedule of MBA, I will try to make a video on that as well. So thank you and stay safe. Okay.